So if you don't have Works Manager and you need to get the work order back into the office, you're either going to have to bring the controller back to the office, or you can email back the file. Now, there are a couple ways where you can, export out different file types. So I can export out the measured data, which is what I have, as point files. And then I can also export out the DXF file. Now, what I want to do is, instead of that having multiple files that then got to be processed, we really just want to get the SPJ file. So on your tablet, you should have, or your controller, inside your synchronizer folder. This is my actual tablet, so it'll be inside of here, really your synchronizer folder. You'll have this SCS 900 data folder. Well, inside of that, we'll have all your designs. So if I go to the Keras as-built demo here, right, and go into work orders, go into this particular work order, here is the work order, this SPJ file. So what you would do is simply copy this and email it, or attach it to an email, or send this file, or load it on a USB drive, and then you would then drag and drop this SPJ file into Business Center, like I showed in the previous video of syncing to Works Manager. All right, so I'm just going to move this out of the way, and I'm going to switch back over to Business Center. We'll show you this process. Here is my original work order. So if I go to my Project Explorer, this is the work order that I synced in, or I dragged in from my Works Manager download. I'm just going to delete that one by right-clicking and selecting delete. So now I'm going to go and get that, I'm going to go to my email or my thumb drive, and I'm going to drag and drop in that SPJ file. And you're going to see it's the exact same SPJ file that was synced into Works Manager, and from then I can do my reports. So as you can see here, it's got the same information that I had by syncing the Works Manager. So it's the SPJ file that you want, whether you sync it through Works Manager or you download it from your controller on a USB drive and get it back to the office. You want to just drag that into Business Center.